What's up everyone? Welcome to another Fast Tip Friday. In this episode we're going to see how we can add some additional space at the end of a Premiere Pro project to allow us to add an end screen in YouTube. So you've probably seen these end screens before, such as this, and on these end screens we can put a little section to ask people to subscribe or add links to videos or playlists. So let's head into Premiere Pro. So here we've got a project and we can see at the minute this just ends with me
Subscribe to the channel
signing off the video.
Fast Tip Fridays. See ya.
And then the video just ends. So this doesn't give us much space to add an end screen in YouTube. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add some extra space at the end of the video, and we can choose any colour for this extra space, and for good measure we'll also add some text and we'll also add some background music. So to create the new background colour space we come down here and click the new item button and we choose new colour matte. This defaults to the sequence settings. This is a 1080 sequence. So we'll just click OK, and now we can choose the colour of the background. So we could leave this black or we could make it white. So for good measure, let's change this to a pale blue and just hit OK. And we can give the colour matte a name. So let's just call this End Colour Matte. We can see we've got this here, so we can now just drag it across to our sequence and we can put it at the end here. And now we've got our blue empty screen. We can expand this out to make it last as long as we want to. So for example, let's make it last about 20 seconds. And you can play with the length of this matte and just get it how you want it. So we're just going to leave it at about 20 seconds here. And now we've got some space to overlay the YouTube end screen items. If we wanted to, we can go and add some graphics to this. So I'm going to come to the graphics tab here, and we're going to add a rectangle. And once again, I'm just going to be super quick and dirty here. We'll add a rectangle and we'll just make that white. And we'll add some text. We'll move that up here and we'll change the fill color to black and just move that around. And now we've got a spot to put our subscribe icon in the end screen. And we've also got some space on the right hand side here to put links to videos or playlists. So that's super simple. And now
Fridays.
If we play back this video, we can see that it doesn't just end here, it switches to the matte, and we can overlay the end screen items. To make this a bit nicer, I'm just going to use Shift D.
Fridays. See ya.
And we can see now that this will have a bit of a transition. And also one at the end. We also need to make this text the same length as the rectangle. And for extra effect, we can come down to the background music here, just drag that across. And if I just play this, the background audio is not very loud. So what we can do is at the end of this, we can ramp up the audio so the viewer has something to listen to. Let's just play this back and take one last look at it.
And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more Fast Tip Fridays. See ya.
And that's the end screen. So I hope you found this Fast Tip Friday useful. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed, and also hit the notification bell. See ya!